Hello everyone, Namaskar and good day. In this video, we will take a quick look at Windless Biotech Limited IPO, share some details about the company and provide our recommendation on whether to subscribe or not to this issue and whether we can get listing gain on this IPO or not. So stay tuned. So let's talk about IPO details. The issue is for a total of rupees 401 crores which comprises of fresh issue of rupees 165 crores and offer for sale by the promoters of rupees 236.5 crores. The issue opens on 4th August 2021 and closes on 6th August 2021. The price band is rupees 448 to rupees 460 per share and the bid lot is 30 shares. The shares are likely to be listed on the exchanges on 17th August 2021. Windless Biotech Limited. The company incorporated in 2001 based in Dehradun. Company operating with 3 business verticals: CDMO products and services, domestic trade generics and over-the-counter OTC market, and exports. They have over 900 employees with manufacturing facilities in Dehradun. They are doing marketing of their own manufactured authentic nutraceutical, pharmaceutical and Ayurvedic products. The company currently owns and operates 4 manufacturing facilities located at Dehradun in Uttarakhand. As of March 31, 2021, their manufacturing facilities had an aggregate installed operating capacity of 7,063.83 million tablets or capsules, 54.46 million pouch or sachet and 61.08 million liquid bottles. Objective of issue: purchase of equipment required for capacity expansion of the existing facility at Dehradun, 50 crore. Funding incremental working capital requirements of the company, 47.5 crores. Repayment of certain borrowings, 20 crore. Positives: leading CDMO in India with a focus on the chronic therapeutic category. Innovative portfolio of complex generic products supported by robust R&D capabilities. Provides CDMO services to 7 of the top 10 Indian pharmaceutical formulations companies. Clients like Pfizer, Sanofi, Cadila, etc. Risks: high dependency on CDMO business. 85% of FY 2021 revenues. Any slowdown in CDMO business can hurt the company growth. Company's top 10 customer contributed 58% of revenue. Company highly dependent on them. Working capital days have increased from 13 days in FY 2020 to 70 days in FY 2021. Based on FY 2021 adjusted earnings, IPO is priced at PE of 22.2x and EV or EBITDA of 15.58x at the upper band of the IPO price, which is slightly better than the peers companies. The company having a very healthy balance sheet with negative net debt or equity. Quality CDMO business has huge potential in India in near future. We expect the upcoming expansion plan in Dehradun and increase in capacity utilization will be the next growth drivers for the company. We are assigning a subscribe recommendation to the issue.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.